Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open chart settings, choose appearance, and set theme to dark for a true black canvas. Change the background color to #000000 and change text color to #FFFFFF so numbers and labels pop. Adjust grid opacity to 10% so reference lines stay subtle. Set scale color to #FFFFFF and font size to 12 for legible axis values. Click Save as default to apply this appearance to new charts, and confirm the theme by refreshing the chart layout after saving. Set bullish candle color to #FFFFFF and bearish candle color to #000000 for clear monochrome bars on candlestick or bar charts. Configure wick and border opacity to 100% and set line width to 1px to keep edges crisp on high-resolution screens. For indicators, choose white or black palette and reduce histogram opacity to 60% so overlays remain readable. Update moving average line width to 2px and set all drawings color to #FFFFFF to maintain consistent contrast. Save the customized appearance as a template named B and W and enable auto-load so every new chart opens in black and white. Export the layout to the cloud or download it as a file for backup and cross-device use, then verify the template loads on a second chart. If changes do not appear immediately, restart Tradingview or perform a browser refresh to clear cache styles. Keep a copy of the B and W template and name variations like B and W inverted for quick switching between monochrome setups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.